Everyone, in today's video I will show you how to turn off antivirus on Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC. Now the default antivirus is on by default and you might want to disable it because it could be taken up resources, or you may want to install third-party virus protection app. Alright, it's pretty simple. So at the bottom here, just press on search and it for Windows security, and you see right here we have this app. So just press that. Now you see right here it says virus and threat protection. So just press there and you are going to press on under virus and threat protection setting. Just press on manage setting and you are going to turn off where it says real-time protection, and this confirm, press yes and left. Now when you turn this off, it's only going to be turned off for a limited time, so you might want to come back here in the future if you want to turn it back on. Just again press on search, go to the security, and it's turned back on, and it's turning back on under virus and threat protection.